Hi, this is Mark Henneberry from Solid Wood Machinery, and this is June the 8th, 2021. I'm working on Robinson ETE sliding table saw that I'm rebuilding, and just wanted to show you a couple of bits of the gearbox that I've been working on. So I replaced the two shafts, the crank handle for the height and rise and for the tilt. Both of these shafts are actually a little under 1 inch. They're 2 to 2.5 thou undersize, but the funny thing is all of the bores are all pretty close to right on 1 inch. So I've replaced these with some precision ground rod. The precision ground rod is a lot closer to tolerance. The precision ground rod is less than half a thou under, so it fits really snug in the handles and the gears and all the bushings, and it fits really nice in the bronze bushings on the machine, so everything's a lot tighter and snugger and no backlash or play. Made up a new bronze thrust bushing for the back of the gear here, so to take out any backlash in it. Something that was kind of interesting, the original ones have 1/4 inch keyways and 1/4 inch keys. The problem was that this one here is about, the keyway in the handle is about 30 thou oversized, so there's a bit of slop in that one. So when I made the new threaded rod, I've done a 30 thou over keyway and machined up a new key. So this is really nice snug fit in there. The threads are a nice fit. Everything seems to be really turned out really well. The threads on here came out very nice. I'm always very nervous making threads. Really easy to mess them up, but these ones actually turned out really well. I was quite pleased with that, and there's no looseness in them. They fit pretty nice. Pretty snug fit. So everything seems to be chugging along, albeit exceedingly slowly. But this is pretty interesting. This was this is an offcut of the precision ground rod there. See, it's actually pretty snug fit. If you close those holes when that seals up, actually you can see it. This spins around quite nice, and that's the precision ground rod. That's a tiny bit, couple of tenths under full 1 inch. That's pretty nice fit. So everything in there fits really snug, and actually if you put that in, you can probably lift that up. I'll close the holes over. See that? Air pressure holds that. Pretty nice fit on all those parts. Pretty interesting. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. I got a lot more to come. I'll do a few more videos and post a whole bunch of pictures as the things going together, but I just thought that was kind of interesting. Anyhow, thanks a lot. See you all soon.